Element 5.3 covers radiation. Radiation is energy emitted by a source and can be divided into two main classes: ionising and non-ionising. Ionising radiation comes in 5 forms: alpha particles, beta particles, neutron particles, X-rays and gamma rays. Radon is a naturally occurring alpha particle emitting form of radioactive gas and is thus classified as ionising radiation. Ionising radiation has sufficient energy to produce ions by intersecting with matter, whereas non-ionising radiation does not possess sufficient energy to cause the ionisation of matter. Typical occupational sources of ionising radiation include nuclear power stations, hospitals and scientific laboratories. Ionising radiation health effects can result in acute radiation sickness and chronic effects such as increased risk of cancer. The control of exposure to ionising radiation is based on the principles of time, distance and shielding. Dose limits apply. Non-ionising radiation can be classified as ultraviolet (UV), visible, infrared (IR), microwave and radio wave. Typical occupational sources of non-ionising radiation include sunlight and arc welding, laser levelling and laser pointers, steel rolling mills and glass manufacture, commercial kitchens and the telecommunications industry. Health effects from non-ionising radiation include eye and skin damage from UV, visible and IR radiation, and internal heating from microwaves and radio waves. The control of exposure to non-ionising radiation is by the use of clothing and PPE, by maintaining a safe distance from the source, by isolation, safe systems of work (SSWs) and permits. Competent persons must be used when dealing with radioactive sources, and a radiation protection advisor must be appointed when working with higher risk radioactive materials.